products at present in the Boma Econ Expo we have displayed. The new innovative products are the rubber tired gantry cranes, which can move on with a tire and which can negotiate the radiuses with moving heavy jobs. Another product which we have displayed, which is for the construction segment, are to launch the precast big segments which are called the gantry cranes. These are heavy duty cranes which lift the metro segments and the bridge segments from 50 ton to 100 tons in a tandem operation effect, and helps in moving along the casting and the stockyard. Apart from that, we have already, as cranes are used in the different segments, we have lot of other sectors wherein we cater to. For that, different caters for automobile industry, for mining industry, for in pharmaceutical industry, and for routine engineering industry. There are jib cranes, overhead EOT cranes. For hydro, there are big 200 ton capacity turbine lifting cranes. All these cranes are being displayed to showcase the clientele of Con Expo today at Boma. We are very optimistic at present. While giving you the interview, the budget is already going on. Our Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman has already given a foresight of 7.5% GDP growth in the coming fiscal year, and infrastructure push under the Modi's government and Mr. Gadkari's push is going to give a big push to overall sector. But mainly infrastructure, we look for the roads, bridges, dams, highways, and I am very much optimistic for India overall and the MSME sector in particular. The machines already from the sustainable concept, we are already using, if you say, right efficient gearboxes with right factor of safeties, with a lower kilowatt which goes with the high efficiency of gearboxes, makes it environmental friendly. Hence, lifting a 50-ton crane may require lesser kilowatt, making it more efficient, using it more efficient in products. With lot of electronics, we save a lot of power, like using regenerative drives. We use it's a power saving mode. So the earlier this technology was not available. Now all the sustainability from the environment concept is already inculcated in our products. See, the green aspect is when you use less energy to lift some load from our perspective, less kilowatts, that I mean. And how it happens? It has a complete gearbox which is efficient. It has a drive which takes care of saving the power. It gives the torque back to the motor, and hence the energy is saved while lifting the similar job. The energy saved is also helping to make the nature green and to the environment. It is not using more. It is also helping by using less. As we all know that COVID has just passed before 1 year, it's almost, and our vaccines have been very fruitful. So looking to all those positive shifts, I feel the company's growth has been almost the tune of 100% post-COVID. We have outperformed this year, and we will be going to do so, and we have in 2024, 2025, and we have things lined up and a vision lined up till 2035. So it is a very clear path and mission and vision in place, and Techno and Techlers as a brand is already outperforming. The trends which will dominate will be more, I think, is a IoT trend, artificial intelligence trend, and analytics. Like what happens that these new machines, if they are given a right IoT background, the preventive maintenance will help the machine to perform better. Thereby the breakdown maintenance which used to kill the time and used to spill over the timeline will stop. So again the concept is saving time is profit, and it's an overall profit to the system. So this makes, I think this also helps the IoT and the artificial intelligence with the machinery, how much, what torque to give, how to lift, how much. This all in turn is a future of the any machinery, not only cranes and hoist. It can be for the excavators, it can be for the road rollers, it can be for the different people who have participated in the Boma exhibition. See, as I told, the industry 4.0 is nothing but to capture the data, to interpret the data, to analyze the data, and to perform as per the data captured. Like if you say IoT, the preventive maintenance is again industry 4.0. The automation and the robotics will play a fruitful role, because these days human intervention is slowly decreasing, like you see the digital age. More of automation, robotics, good machinery, standardization, these things will lead any company for the future growth. By and large, the small, still in India, we are lacking in a good small road rollers, small mini excavators, special tailor-made machine for trenches, for rough terrains. So all those small machines which will have a good growth cycle in the coming years, and the medium enterprise, private owners who are already working on tailor-made machines can make a fortune with this. The vision of the company is very clear that we want to be one of the topmost company in giving non-standard plus standard solutions to the not only the Indian market, not only having four manufacturing setups in India, north, south, east, west, and more than 25 offices with state offices in the main capital of each state, and to grow the Asian market by expanding to Middle East, to Africa, and slowly to the Europe and US. So the charter for 2030 is already laid. We want to do it sustainable. We want to be environment friendly. We want to be compliant. We want to ensure that whichever region tacklers grow, it helps the human resource in that region. It provides employment, and a organic growth is envisaged for the company.